Okay, thank you for watching. Today we will see exercise 1.9. As we previously we see that exercise 1.1 to 1.8. If you are not watching that, you can subscribe this channel and watch all the video by finding from this channel. We will today we will start from exercise 1.9 the first question ዛሬ የምናየው ኤክሰርሳይዝ አንድ ነጥብ ዘጠኝ ነው። ከዚህ በፊት ከአንድ ነጥብ አንድ እስከ አንድ ነጥብ ስምንት ያለውን አይተናል። እሱን ያላያችሁ ጥያቄው ያልሰራችሁ ከኔ ጋር አብራችሁ ቪዲዮ እዚህ ቻናል ላይ ስለሚገኝ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጋችሁ ቪዲዮን እየፈለጋችሁ ሁሉንም ማየት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ሁሉም ኤክሰርሳይዞች በዲቴል ሰርተን ቪዲዮ ለቀናል፣ እሱን መከታተል ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ዛሬ ቀጥታ የምናየው ኤክሰርሳይዝ 1.9 ነው። we will start by from question number 1. Question number 1 says that round the following number to nearest of 1000. Let us do the question letter A. We can write this question first. Let us write the question here. We have that we have 68, 59. We have this number. The question says that round the number to the nearest of 1000. So here 10, this 100, this is 100, so 1000. So as we see, this is 8 is greater than 5, so we can round 6 to 7. So we can round here. We have to put 0 0 0. So this is answer for question letter A. Let us for letter B. Letter B says that 74 45. Here as we see 4 is this is thousand of unit of thousand. So as we see 4 is less than 5, so we simply put 0 here. This is equal to the first question for under letter A. And sorry for this question, this is sorry, the question we are not right the question correctly. Let us write again. 74 to 45 to 45 to 45. This number to round this. Here we have 2, here we have 4, so 2 is less than 5, so the number will be written like this. When we round to nearest to 1000, we can put here 0 30. We keep for this 30 simply because 2 is less than 5. Less than 5. Now let us going to the next question. The next question says that let us write first the question. See, we have here C 8 89 89 0 30. We have 30 30. As we see, this is rounded, not rounded, already rounded number. So we write it as it is 0 0 0 because 0 is less than 5. So as it is. We will do for the next question. D says that round 9. We have a question. The number is 99 and 500. 50. Sorry, here this 0 0. We have this number. We ask to round this number to what this. As you see, 5 here we have 100,000 of numbers, so 5 is equal to 5, so we can add here 1. When we add 1 it will be 10. Again when we have to add again 1, this will so 10, so the answer is 10,000. 10. Let us put one. Okay, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Again we have, yes, so we have this number 1 million, not 100,000. 100,000. So this number will be round to when we write nearest to 1000, the number will be 100,000. So this is all about question number 1. If you have any question on this question, you can write your question, or you can leave your question under comment of this video. We will try to answer all questions. And now we will move to question number 2. Question number 2 says that round the following number to the nearest of 100. እሺ ቅድም እየሰራን የነበረው በመቶ በአንድ ሺህ ወደ 1000 ያስጠጉ ነበረ። እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት አሁን 8 1000 ጋር ነች። 8 ከ5 ስለምትበልጥ እና ወደ 7 ይጠጋል ማለት ነው። 6 ለ7 እናደርግና 0 0 እናደርጋለን። አሁን እንደገና እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት 1000 እዚህ ጋር 10 መቶ 1000 እዚህ ጋር ነው። ስለዚህ 2 ነች። 2 ሊዛን 0 ስለሆነች ሁሉንም 0 አድርገን መተው ነው። 74000 ብቻ 74 0 0 አድርገን መተው ነው። ይሄኛውም እዚህ ጋር 0 ላይ ነው። 0 ከ5 ስለምታንስ ይሄንም እንደዛ እናስቀምጠዋለን እንደነበረ ነው። ይሄኛው እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት ደግሞ 99500 ነው። 5 ነች እኛ ምናያት ማለት ነው። 5 ከ5 ጋር እኩል ስለሆነ ወደ 9ን አንድ ስንጨምርበት 10 ይሆናል። 0ን ይዘን አንድን እዚህኛው ላይ እንጨምራለን። ስለዚህ 100,000 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 100,000 አሁን ደግሞ ወደ 100 አስጠጉን የተባልነው 100 ማለት እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት 100 ማለት የዚህቺ የመጀመሪያዋ 10 ነች። ሁለተኛው 100 8 ነው የምናየው ማለት ነው። አሁን so we will see question number 2. As we see, we have 78,540. Let us write the question first. We have to write the question first. The question says that 778,540. We have to round this number simply. As we see, this is 100, so 4 will be we asked to do with nearest to 100. This is 10, this is 100, so 4 is less than 5, so we can write this question as this 8 5, and we will put here 0 0 0. So this is the nearest of 100 for this question. ስለዚህ እንድናደርግ ነው ማለት ነው። እቺ 10ኛ ቤት ነች። 10ኛ ነች። ይሄኛው 100 ማለት ነው። 100 ማለት ይሄ ነው እንግዲህ። ስለዚህ ከሱ 4 ከ0 ከ5 ስለሚያንስ ምንም አንጨምርም ወደዚህ ማለት ነው። እንደነበር እናደርግና 0 0 ማለት ነው ማለት ነው። The next question will be B. B says that B 950. Let us write the question first. 950. We have this number. Then we will we to round this number to nearest to 100. So as we see, this is 10, this is 100. So 5 is, as we see here, this number is greater than or equal to 5. So we will add to 9 1. When we add 9 9 1, we get 10. So 10 1000. This is answer for B. C. C says that the question letter C እዚህ ጋር እንደምታውቅ አንዴ በአማርኛ ልግለጽላችሁ። ይኸኛል እዚህ ጋር 5 ነች የመቶ ቤት ማለት ነው። መቶ ማለት ይችኛዋ ነች መቶኛ 5 ነው። 5 ደግሞ ከ5 ጋር እኩል ወይም ስለሚበልጥ ማንኛውም ቁጥር እዚህ ጋር የምንደምረው የምናሳድገው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት ማንኛውም ቁጥር ለማጠጋጋት የፈለግነው ቁጥር 5 እና ከ5 በላይ ከሆነ አጠገቡ ላለው ቁጥር 1 ሰጥተን እሱን 0 እናደርግና ከሱ ቀጥሎ ያሉትን ጠቅላላ 0 እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይህን እንደዛ ያደርግነው ማለት ነው። አሁን ወደ ቀጣዩ ጥያቄ ነው የምናልፈው። The next question will be the question says that let us clear our blackboard first. The second question says that the second question letter C says that 40,099. Sorry for handwriting. This is bad handwriting. 9. This is 0. Sorry. As you see, we have to round nearest to 100. As you see, 9 is 100. So we will 9 is greater than 5. So we give for the nearest number 1 and make all the other or the right number make 0. So we have to write this number like this is 0. Now we make 1 because 9 is greater than 5. So the other will be 0. So this is the answer of question letter C. እዚህ ጋር ያየን ምንድነው? አሁን ይሄንን ነው የምናየው 9 ወደ 100 አስጠጉ ስለተባለ ወደ 100 ይሄን ያለን ይሄን ስናይ 9 ነው። 9 ከ5 በላይ ስለሆነ ለአጠገቡ ላለው ቁጥር 1 እንጨምርበታለን። 0 ሲደመር 1 ነው። ስለዚህ ሌላውን 0 ማድረግ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ 14100 ነው ማለት ነው። ቢም ተመሳሳይ ነው። ለመስራት እንሞክራለን አብረን 29 84 ይሄ ማለት ምንድነው? 2984 So at letter D the question this is the question. Let us as you see this 8 is greater than 5, so we will add 1 here. When we add 1 for here, this will be 10, and we write 0 and we give 1 again for this. So the answer is 3000. This is final answer for question letter D. And we this is all about question number 2. If you have any question on this question, you can leave your question under comment of this video. And now we will move to question number 3. Question number 3 says that round the following number to nearest of 10. So the first question under letter A will say let us write this question first. Under A the question says 485. Let us round this number nearest to 10. As we see this is 5. this is 10, we see 5, and this is 100, this is 1000. So the question nearest to 10, so 5 is nearest to 10, so we will try to 5 is greater than 5 is greater than or equal to 5, so we will write this question like this: 49 0 0 49 0 1 0, sorry, 2 0. This is a final answer for this equation, because እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት 485 ነው። ወደ 10 ቤት ወደ 10 አስጠጉን የተባለው 5 ነው የምናየው። ወደ 10 አስጠጉ ስንባል የመጀመሪያዋን በራይት በኩል ያለችውን ቁጥር ነው የምናየው፣ 5 ነች። ስለዚህ 5ን ስናይ 5 ከ5 ጋር እኩል ነው ወይም ስለሚበልጥ ከ5 ጋር እኩል ወይም ከ5 የሚበልጥ ከሆነ ለአጠገቡ ላለው ቁጥር 1 ጨምረን እሱን 0 እናደርገዋለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ 8 ላይ 1 ስንጨምር 9 ይሆናል። 5ን 0 እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። ለዛ ነው ማለት ነው እንደዚህ የመጣው። ሁለተኛ ጥያቄ ቢን ስናይ ሌተስ ሲ question letter B says that 950. This is 0, as we see 10, the first number is 0, so we leave this question as it is. ይህ ነው ቀላል ነው፣ ምክንያቱም የተሰጠን ከ0 ነው። 0 ደግሞ ከ5 ስለሚያንስ እንደዛው 0 አድርገን ነው የምንሄደው ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛው ጥያቄ question letter C under question number 3. Here the question 8847. Let us write the question first. Number first, the 8847. As we see 7 to round to 10, this is number 10 nearest to 10, so we will see 7 is greater than or equal to 5, so we will add for the nearest of 7 1. This is 4 is nearest to 7. When we add 4 to 1 5, so in the make 7 0, so we write the equation like this: 8 5 0. እንደዚህ ነው። ምክንያቱም 7 ነው ተባብለናል። ወደ 10 አስጠጉ ስንባል የመጀመሪያዋን በቀኛችን በኩል ያለችው የመጀመሪያዋን ቁጥር ነው የምናየው። እሷ ደግሞ 7 ነች። 7 ከ5 ስለሚበልጥ አጠገቡ ላለው ቁጥር 1 ጨምርና እሱን 0 እናደርገዋለን ማለት። ስለዚህ እንደዛ ስናደርግ ስንት ይመጣል? 8850 ይመጣል ማለት ነው። 850 ይመጣል ማለት ነው። አሁን ወደ ቀጣዩ ጥያቄ ነው የምናልፈው። the next question says that D4 only, so as it we leave as it is, because 4 so there is no any number nearest to this number, so as we leave as it is. And the next is E says that 83. Let us write 83. 3, we see 3, we make 3 0, so 80, because 3 is less than 5. So this is all about question number 3. If you have any question on this question, you can leave your question under comment of this video. Now we will do question number 4. Question number 4 says that give the following to one decimal place. We have to round this decimal to one decimal place. Let us do the question under D, and we will do the other also. First, let us do for question letter I. I say that give the following to one decimal place. አሁን ቀጥታ ወደ አራተኛ ጥያቄ ኃይለ ስንሄድ አንድ ዴሲማል ፕሌስ አድርጋችሁ ጻፉን የተባልነው። ሌተስ ስታርት ፍሮም ኤ ኤ ሴይዝ ዛት 5.58. So one decimal place means this is one decimal place. So we write here 5 point. As we see, the previous number or the nearest number of 5 is 8. When we see 8 is greater than 5, so we will make this 5 6. So we can write like this. Only one decimal place. እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት ዋን ዴሲማል ፕሌስ ማለት ከነጥብ ቀጥሎ አንድ ወይ መጀመሪያ ሁለተኛ ሶስተኛ እያለ ነው የሚሄደው ማለት ነው። የመጀመሪያው 5 ነው። ስለዚህ ከ5 ነጥብ 58 ነው የሚለው 5.58 ማለት ወደ ዋን ዴሲማል ፕሌስ ሲመለስ እንደዚህ ነው የሚለው። ምክንያቱም ይቺ 5 ነው እንወስድና 5.5 ነው ማድረግ የፈለግነው። ነገር ግን ይቺ 8 ከ5 በላይ ስለሆነች እዚህኛው ላይ አንድ እንጨምራለን። ስለዚህ 5.6 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So this is for letter A. Let us do for letter D. Letter B says that 4.04. So we simply put this number like this 4.0 because for as you see the nearest of 0 is 4, so 4 is less than 5, so we have to leave as it is. So this is 4.0. እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት 4.0 ብለን ነው የምንጽፈው። ምክንያቱም 4 ከ0 ቀጥሎ 4 ነው ያለው። 4 ደግሞ ከ5 ስለሚያንስ ወደዚህ አንጨምርም፣ ዝም ብለን 0 እናደርገዋለን። ስለዚህ 4.0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ይሄ እንደዚህ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Let us move to the next question. Next question says that the number given here is 150. Sorry for this handwriting. Let us write again here. 157.39. Here we have point. So we try to write this in by rounding one decimal place. So here 3. The number next to 3 is 9. So 9 is greater than 5. We have to add from on 3 1. When we add it 157.4. Make like this. So it is very simple. And let us do the other question. The letter D says that under letter C we have here under D we have እንደምታዩት ዲ ላይ ያለው ቁጥር 15 ነጥብ 15.045. As we see, we have two one decimal place. Here 0 is one decimal place. Next to 0, 4 is less than 5. So we write this question like this 0.000. So this is the answer. It is 0 or 15.0. This is the final answer. So we will do the other. Uh, this is all about question number 4, letter I. Let us do for letter 2I, Roman number 2. Roman number 2. Let us write first the question under letter. Uh, okay. Roman number 2. Round the following nearest to tens. Tens. Nearest to tens. Tens. Okay. እዚህ ጋር ወደ 10 ቤት ኒረስት ቱ ቴንዝ ነው የተባልነው። ኒረስት ቱ ቴንዝ አሁን ለምሳሌ የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ፣ ሁለተኛ round the following to nearest to is let us write the first question. The first question says that uh, select this pen. We will write 157 157 dot 39 39 39 39. So we have to round. This is the same as one decimal place. Have to see 3. This is tens. ይሄ 10 ቤት ነው። ወደ 10 ቤት ከዴሲማል ይሄ እንደምታውቁት ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር ይሄ ከነጥብ በፊት ሲጻፍ ቁጥር ማንኛውም ቁጥር ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር ብናይ ማለት ነው ማየት እንችላለን። ለምሳሌ 243 ብናይ ይሄ 10 ቤት ነው የሚሆነው። 10 ይቅርታ የአንድ ቤት 1 you will say 1 ይሄ 10 ቤት 10 and this is 100 አንድ ቤት 10 ቤት 100 ቤት ነው የምንለው ማለት ነው። ከነጥብ ወደዛ ከሆነ ግን ምንድነው የምናደርገው? ለምሳሌ 243 ይሰጣል ፖይንት 356 ይሰጣል። this is 1 and this is 10 as you know. This is 100 as የአንድ ቤት የ10 ቤት የመቶ ቤት ማለት ነው። ከነጥብ ወደዚህ ያለውን ግን ከዚህ ሳይሆን የምንጀምረው ከዚህ ነው። we start after point we will start from here by using this is 1 and this is 10. So for writing this is 1 not 1 10. Sorry, 1 is the dot is 1, then 10 again. This is a house of 100 hundreds, tens, hundreds, thousands here. You have thousands. Again, if there is another number, this is also 10,000s. We write like this. So by using this theorem, we have to after point we will say that we start from right to left to right. Let us by if you know this you can, as we see this number we have 157.39. this is 10 as we say before. This is 1 and this is 10. This is 100. So the question we asked that round the following to the nearest of tens. So this is tens. As we see 3 next to 3 is 9. So we have to add on 3 1 by making this 0. So we have 157.4. So this is after rounding to nearest to tens. So this is the final answer for letter A. After that, we also another question here. We have 12.049 as you see. 12, 12 point 12.049 49. Let us round these two let us round nearest to tens. Tens means, as you say before, we after dot we will start from here. This is house of tens. This is hundred with thousand. So we will see this next to as you see this is tens, and the nearest number is less than 5. So we will write simply this 12 point zero 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 zero. So this is final answer for this question. You can also write 12.0 like this. እሺ በዚህ መልኩ ካየን ወደ ቀጣዩ ጥያቄ ነው የምናልፈው። ቀጣዩ ጥያቄ ላይ ያለን ምንድን ነው የሚለው 0.98 ነው። 0.98 0.98 under question number 8 under question number 4 Roman number 2 letter B letter C, sorry, letter C. So to round this we the question says that round nearest to tens. So the nearest the tens of this number is 9, and we see the nearest of 9 is 8. So we will add on 9 1 and make this 0, or we will 10. Then we by writing 0 here we have get 1. So the final answer will be like this, so 1.0 1.0. So this is answer for letter C. And the other question, there is also another question, letter C, question letter D, and question letter D. Letter D says that 2.95 2 point, let us write in the 2.95 95. Yeah, this number we try to round this number to tens, nearest of tens. So as you see 9 is the nearest of tens of this number. So we will the nearest number of 9 is 5. 5 is greater than greater than or equal to 5. So we will add 1 on 9. We get that here 10, and we will write 1 here. We get 3.0. So this is final answer for this question. ይሄኛው ጥያቄ ምንድነው? እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት 10 ቤቱ ከዴስቴንዝ ከዴሲማል በኋላ ከ10 ነው የምንጀምረው። እዚህ ጋር 10 100 1000 እያለ ነው የምንሄደው ማለት ነው። ዶቷ አንድ ቤት ነች። አንድ ቤት 10 ቤት 100 ቤት 1000 ቤት እያለ ነው የምንሄደው ማለት ከነጥብ ወደዛ ወደዚህ ነው የምንቆጥረው። ከነጥብ ወደ ወደ ግራ ከሆነ ግን ከዚህ ጋር አንድ ቤት የ10 ቤት የ100 ቤት እያልን እንሄዳለን። ስለዚህ ይሄ እንደዚህ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ይሄ 10 ቤቱ ነው። ከነጥብ ወደዛ ቴንስ ካስገባን ከነጥብ ወደዛ ያለውን ቤት ነው ይጠራልን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እቺ 9 ነች። ከ9 አጠገብ 5 አለች። 5 ደግሞ ከ5 ጋር እኩል ስለሆነች 9 ላይ 1 እንደምራለን 10 ይመጣል። 0ን ጥፈን 1ን እዚህኛው ላይ እንጨምራለን 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay, Roman number 3. Here we have another question. Roman number 3. Give the following two decimal place. Two decimal place. Let us write the first question. 6.473. 6.473. This is the first question. We have to give the following two decimal place. Two decimal place of this is 1 and this is 2. So the two decimal place of this number is 7. And the nearest number to 7 is 3. 3 is less than 5. So we will round this number like this: 6.47. This is two decimal place for this number. This number. So we can do the next question. The next question says that let us write the question. So let us write the letter P. 9.9.58. 587. Let us write this two decimal place to write here one decimal, two decimal place. እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩ 9.58 ነው የሚለው 8 ነው። እዚህ ጋር ዋን ዴሲማል ፕሌስ ነው፣ የሁለት ዴሲማል ፕሌስ ነው፣ ሶስት ዴሲማል ፕሌስ ነው። በሁለት ዴሲማል ፕሌስ ጻፉ ስለተባለ 9.58 ነበር የምንለው። ነገር ግን እዚህ ጋር 7 አለች። ከሰባትን ስናይ ከአምስት በላይ ስለሆነች 8 ላይ አንድ እንጨምራለን ማለት ነው፣ 9 ይሆናል። ስለዚህ 9.59 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሌላውም ተመሳሳይ ነው። መጨረሻ ሲንም እንያዝ። ሲ ቀላል ነች። እዚህ ጋር ሲ 0.014 is simply you can write it 0.01. This is answer for C. And the D 99.996. 99.996. Yes, we are correctly. So we to write this number in two decimal place. We see this number two decimal place, one decimal, two decimal. So as we see 9, the nearest number to 9 is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 here for on 9. So when we add on 9 1, 10, we write by writing 0 here, and we also add 1 here. When we add like this, simply adding 0, and we have 1 plus 9, again 0, 10, and we have 1 again, 9 plus here we have put 9 plus 1, again 10, 0, and we have 1 again, we add here 1, 10. Final answer will be like this. So this is final answer for question letter D. And we move to Roman number 4. Round the following the nearest to 100. We let us select 2 only. A, C, A and C. Let us do A and C only. Okay. እሺ ኤ እና ሲ ነው የምንሰራው። በሮማን ነምበር 4 ላይ ያለውን ጥያቄ የመጀመሪያው ኤ ላይ ያለው ጥያቄ 16.476 ነው። ሲ ላይ ያለው ደግሞ 9.3048 ነው። ወደ መቶኛውን ነው ጻፉ የተባልነው 200. So we have here 100 nearest to 100. So this is 10 and this is 100. So as we said before, this is house number 1, 10, 100. So we see this 7, and we as the nearest of 7 is 6. So 6 is greater than 5. So we add on 7 1, and we have here 16.48. 4 8 ብለን እናስቀምጣለን ማለት ነው። 4 8 ብለን እናስቀምጣለን ለማለት ነው። የመቶ ቤት ማለት ቅድም እንዳየነው ከነጥብ ወደዛ ከሆነ ከዚህኛው ነው የምንጀምረው ማለት ነው። እቺ ነጥቧ አንድ ቤት ነች። ከዛ 10 ቤት 100 ቤት 1000 ቤት እያሉ ነው ማለት ነው የምንሄደው። ከነጥብ ወደዛ ከነጥብ መጀመሪያ ከሆነ ግን ከዚህ ጋር አንድ ቤት እያሉ ነው የምንሄደው ማለት ነው። ከቀኝ ነው የምንጀምረው ማለት ነው። ከነጥብ ወደዚህ ከሆነ ከነጥቧ ጀምረን ወደ ቀኝ ነው የምንሄደው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ አሁን ወደ hundreds ከነጥብ ወደዚህ ያሉት እዚህ ጋር ones tens hundreds thousands እያሉ ነው የምንሄደው። በወዲ በኩል ያለው ከሆነ ግን 1 10 እያሉ ነው ማለት ነው። እዛ እንጨምራለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እንዲህ ይሆናል። አሁን ደግሞ C, let's the question under C is this. So we will try to round to 100 nearest to 100. So we have, as we see, 9 point as we see 100 is here, and the nearest number under 0 is 4. 4 is less than 5, so we put this number like this, 9.30. So this is all about question number 4. If you have any question on this number 4 question, you can leave your question under comment of this video. Don't forget subscribe this channel. Let us move to question number 5. Question number 5 says that, let us see question number 5. Write the following to the number of significant form indicated in the bracket. As you see, 48599 to. Let's write the first question here. We have that 4 8 5 9 9. We have to write one significant, means this is one significant of this number, and one significant, two significant, 3 significant, 4 significant, 5 significant. So this number have 5 significant. We can say like that, but we have to write this number with one significant. We can write this number like this, 4. Okay, 4, yeah, but 4 is not for now. As we see, the nearest number to 4 is 8. 8 is greater than 5. We have to do that like this, 5 other put 0 0 0. We have 4 0. So this is one significant of this number. If we say 5 two significant, we can write also this number 4900, 49300. But we are now write 4 significant of this number, so this is the answer for this question. And later under letter D, we have that B says that the same number but significant of 3. This is the same number. Let us put this 3 significant. 3 significant of this number here up to 5. 1 2 3. So we have to 4 8 8, and the nearest number to 5 is 9. 9 is greater than 5, so we make this 5 by adding 1. We make 6 6 0 0 6 0 0. So this is 3 significant of this number. ይሄ ምንድነው? 48,599 የተሰጠን ቁጥር ወደ 3 ሲግኒፊካንት ቁጥር ቀይራ አስቀምጠው ነው የተባልነው። 4 8 5 1 2 1 ሲግኒፊካንት 2 ሲግኒፊካንት 3 ሲግኒፊካንት ነው። ከ5 ቀጥሎ ያለው ቁጥር እናይና 9 ነው። 9 ደግሞ ከ5 በላይ ስለሆነ ስለዚህ እዚህ አጠገቡ ካለው ቁጥር ላይ አንድ እንጨምርበታለን 6 ይሆናል። እንደዚህ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስንት ቁጥሮች ነው ያሉት? ከዜሮ ውጪ 3 ቁጥሮች። ሲግኒፊካንት ማለት በተሰጠን ሲግኒፊካንት ያን ቁጥር ማስቀመጥ ነው፣ ሌሎቹን ዜሮ ማድረግ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄን ይመስላል። ወደ ቀጣዩ ጥያቄ ነው የምናልፈው። ቀጣዩ ጥያቄ ምንድነው የሚለው? ሲ ላይ ጥያቄውን እንጽፈዋለን። መጀመሪያ the question letter C says that 2.5728 this number, and we have to put this number with 3 significant. So the 3 significant of this number is 2, 1 significant, 2 significant, 3 significant. So we have to put this number 2.57. As we see, the nearest of 7 is 2. We have to leave as it is, or make 0. ስለዚህ ይህንን እንድናደርገው 2.5728 ነው የተሰጠን። ሶስተኛው ሲግኒፊካንት 7 ነው። 1 2 3 2.57 ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም ከ7 ቀጥሎ ያለችው 2 ስለሆነ 7 ላይ ምንም አንጨምር ማለት ነው። አሁን ወደ ቀጣይ ጥያቄ ነው የምናልፈው። the next question will be say that let us do for question number let us by jumping some of them we already let us do D says that 20 let us later again 45. We have this number significant. We only count number except 0. Don't count 0 here. We have only here we have 3 significant 0 5 significant 4 significant figure. This number have 5 significant figure. ስለዚህ ይሄ ወደ ስንት ነው የተባልነው? ዲሌይ ወደ 2 ሲግኒፊካንት ፊገር ነው የተባልነው። ስለዚህ ሁለት የዚህ ሲግኒፊካንት ፊገሩ ይጋና የሚመጣው እዚህ 2 ላይ ነው። 2 1 1 ሲግኒፊካንት 2። ስለዚህ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? 2 4 ደግሞ ከ5 በታይ ስለሆነ ምንም አንጨምርበት እንደነበረ እንደዚህ እንጽፋለን ማለት ነው። እንደዚህ እንጽፋለን ማለት ነው። ኢ ደግሞ ኢ ላይ ሌትስ ዱ ኢ says that 0.08562. Let us make this divide. So we have this number. Let us count only. Don't count 0 before dot. So this 0 is not counted. But here we can count. If 0 is between a number, you can count. But if the number is at final from next 2 point, we are not count that 0. So let us count this 1 significant, 2 significant, 3 significant, 4 significant. The question will be 1 significant. So 8 here we have 1 significant. So we will write this question 0.08 will be 1 significant, but here the next to 8 is 5. We have to add on 8 1 by adding with 9 this number, and we will put the other 0. So this is 1 significant of this number. እዚህ ጋር እንደምናይ እቺን 0 አንቆጥራትም፣ ምክንያቱም ከነጥብ ወደዛ 0 አይቆጠርም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ቁጥሮች መሃል ከሆነ ግን 0 ትቆጠራለች፣ ቁጥሮች መሃል ካልሆነች አትቆጠርም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር አንቆጥረውም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ 0.0 እዚህ ጋር 8 ነው የመጀመሪያው ሲግኒፊካንት፣ ግን 5 ስላለን 5 ከ5 ጋር እኩል ስለሆነ 8 ላይ አንድ እንጨምራለን ማለት ነው። ከ5 በታይ ቢሆን ምንም አንጨምር 8 ብለን ነው የምንሄደው። ከ5 በላይ ስለሆነ አንድ 8 ላይ እንጨምራለን 9። So this is all about. Now let us move to next question. Okay, the next question will be if is the next question. 0.954. So let us the question two significant. The two significant of this number is don't count 0. Here we have 9, the first significant, the second significant, so one significant, two significant. Here we have 5 is the second of the two significant of this number, and next to 5 we have 4. 4 is less than 5, so we leave as it is. So we have this number 0.950, or you can leave as it is. Here we have can write 0, but we can also leave this 0. So this is for letter A. And the other question will later jump this. This is the same as this. So let us do H. Question later H says that 0.954 here. So let us the question will be write this as one significant በአንድ ላይ የተባለ የመጀመሪያው ሲግኒፊካንቱ 9 ነው። እንደምታዩት 9 ነው። ሁለተኛው 5 ነው። ሶስተኛው 4 ነው። ስለዚህ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? እዚህ ጋር 9 ነው። ከ9 ቀጥሎ 5 ነው ያለችው። ስለዚህ 5 እኩል ነው ከ5 ጋር። ስለዚህ 9 ላይ 1 እንደምራለን ማለት ነው። 9 ላይ 1 ስንደምር 10 ይሆናል። ስለዚህ 1 ነጥብ 0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ይሄንን በዚህ መልኩ ጨርሰናል። አምስተኛ ጥያቄ። አሁን የሚቀረን ስድስተኛን እንሰራና ከ7 እስከ 13 ያሉትን ሌላ ጊዜ ነው የምንሰራቸው ማለት ነው። ሌላ ጊዜ እንሰራዋለን። አራተኛን ከ7 ጀምረን አሁን ስድስተኛውን እንስራና ወደ እየዘለን የተወሰነው ተመሳሳይ ሆኖ መዝለል እንችላለን። አሁን ስድስተኛ ሌትስ ዱ question number 6 and starting from 7 to question number 30 we will do for next time. But let us do question number 6. Question number 6 says that each of the following number expressed nearest to whole number. Give the upper and lower round of each. Using number express the range in the number less as on equality. Let us do this question A and C. The first question is 6. When we 6. The lower bound of 6 will be 5.95. This is 95. Lower bound of 6, and the upper bound of 6 is 6.05. This is upper bound. Okay, and again let us see on laying cable. Here we have six here, and we have here we have this is and the next number will be 6.05 is greater than 5, so here we have to put 0.5, and here we have again 5 point only 5.95. So this is we can show you laying table, and we have to inequality. Using inequality we can also that 5.95 less than 6, and the 6 is less than 6.05. So this is upper bound and this is lower bound of 6. So this is all about question number 6, letter A. And let us do for this. This is also the same as very simple question. If you understand this, as that is very simple. ስለዚህ ሎወር ባውንድ ስናደርግ 0.05 መቀነስ ነው። አፐር ስናደርግ ደግሞ 0.05 መደመር ነው ማለት ነው። አፐር ባውንድ እና ሎወር ባውንድ ማለት እንደዛ ነው። ሲል ያለው እንስራና ወደ ሰባተኛው ነው የምንሄደው። ሲል ያለው ጥያቄ 151 ነው የተሰጠን። 151 ነው። የዚህ ሎወር ፓውንዱ ምንድን ነው የሚሆነው? 150 ነጥብ 95 ነው ስንቀንሰው 0.05 ስንቀንስ ከዚህ ላይ ማለት ነው 95 ይሆናል። ይሄ this is lower bound of 151, and the upper bound is by adding 0.05 we get that 151.05. So we can show on this can put 151 here we have to add 151.0. we can lay on this x-axis, and we have here 150.95 can show on laying line, and we can also put with inequality 150.95 less than 151, because this is less than this, and this is 151 is less than 151.05. So this is when you put with inequality. So this is all about question number 6. Let us do for question number 7. If you have any question on this, you can leave your question under comment of this video. This is the same question with 6 by finding upper bound and the lower bound of the number, lower bound and upper bound of the number, and put on laying line and putting inequality. Let us do A and E negative number. Let us do for A. Let us do for A. A says that 3 point okay, A says that 3.5. 3.8. Let us first let us sorry 3.8. Sorry, sorry, let us cancel the right again. So this is the question, and we first let us make lower bound of this number. Lower bound of this number will be mm, minus 0.05. We get the 3.75. This is lower bound of the number, and the upper bound of this number will be 3.85, 85, sorry, 85. And when we put this number on the laying line, here we have 3.85, and we have to put here upper bound of this number. We have upper bound 3.85, 85, and we have also here lower bound of this number is 3.75, and we can put this number in equality as 3.75 less than 3.8 less than 3.85, so 85. So this is a final inequality of this number. Let us do for negative number. Negative number. Okay. Letter B and letter E. Negative. Here let us do a negative number 2. So the lower bound of this is when we add 0.05. This upper bound of this number when we minus 0.05, we have to add so with 0 point minus negative 0.25. This is lower bound of this number. Lower bound of this number, and the upper bound of this number will be 0.15. This is upper bound of this number. Upper bound of this number. Upper bound of the numbers. So we write like this. After writing this, we have to negative. So here we have negative. Okay? Upper bound of the number. Then we can put this on laying line. The equation minus 2, and we have right here the upper bound of the number. The upper bound of the number, as we said before, 0.25. Negative 0.25. Negative. And here we have to lower bound of sorry for here not, this is not upper bound. Upper bound of this number is 15, sorry, 0.15, and lower bound of this number is negative 0.25. So this is underlying line, and when we write with inequality, 0. Negative 0.25 less than minus 0.2 less than negative 0.15. So this is the final answer, and we will. This is all about today. If you have any question on today's lesson, you can leave your question under comment of this video. We will try to answer all question. Don't forget to like the video. Uh, for today, this is all about. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and to share for your friends, and don't forget to like the video. ስለዚህ ዛሬ ከአንድ ኤክሰርሳይዝ 1.5 እስከ 7ኛ ጥያቄ አይተናል። ከ8ኛ በታይ ያሉትን በቀጣይ የምናይ ይሆናል። እስካሁን ያስተማርኳችሁ ካልገባችሁ ኤክሰርሳይዝ 1.8 ላይ ያላችሁን ጥያቄ ሁሉንም ኮሜንት ላይ መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ። ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጋችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡ። ለጓደኞቻችሁ ማጋራት እንዳትረሱ። ለዛሬ ይሄን ይመስላል። ጥያቄያችሁን ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ። ቪዲዮ ከተመቻችሁ ላይክ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። ለዛሬ አመሰግናለሁ። መልካም ጊዜ። በቀጣይ ከ8ኛ ጥያቄ አንስተን ወደ ታች እናያለን እስከ 13 ያለውን ማለት ነው። ለዛሬ አመሰግናለሁ። መልካም ጊዜ ይሁንላችሁ። ስላዳመጣችሁኝ አመሰግናለሁ።